Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin access and the DNS address is ready. This saves backtracking. Once you're connected, open your laptop's network settings right away. On Windows, click Network and Internet, then change adapter options. On Mac OS, pick the active interface in System Settings. Select the adapter you use, then open Properties or Details and find IP4 DNS fields. This first step switches from automatic to manual DNS entry, so you can paste primary and secondary addresses. It's the core action that begins the change. Now enter the numeric DNS values. Put the primary in the top field and a reliable secondary below it for redundancy. If your network uses IP6, also add the V6 addresses, otherwise leave IP6 automatic. Make sure to prioritize the new entries rather than leaving them appended. If your system or browser supports DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS, enable it for privacy. That prevents ISPs from snooping on lookups. When done, click Save or Apply so the adapter uses the new servers immediately. Once saved, restart the network adapter or reboot your laptop so the change takes effect across apps. Then flush the DNS cache, ipconfig/flushtons on Windows, sudo killall HUPM DNS responder on Mac OS so old entries don't linger. Test with nslookup or by loading several websites. Fast, consistent responses mean success. If resolution fails, make sure the DNS addresses were typed correctly. Check any firewall or parental controls that might block alternate DNS, and then revert to automatic to confirm connectivity before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.